Hey everyone, welcome to my productivity tales. I'm so excited to finally start this channel. If you're looking for ways to be more productive, build better habits, and stay organized while actually enjoying the process, you're in the right place. For as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with finding the best ways to manage my time and stay on top of my goals. But let's be real, productivity isn't just about cramming more into your day, it's about making space for what truly matters. And that's exactly what I want to share with you here. On this channel, I'll be sharing my favorite productivity tips, time management hacks, and digital planning techniques that have helped me create a system that actually works. Plus, I'll be introducing you to my own collection of digital journals and habit trackers designed to make staying organized effortless. Now, before we wrap up, I want to share one simple productivity hack that completely changed the game for me: the 5 minute rule. If a task takes less than 5 minutes to do it immediately. No procrastination, no I'll do it later, just get it done. You'd be surprised how much clutter, both mental and physical, disappears when you follow this rule. I have so much exciting content planned, from deep dives into habit tracking to digital planning tips, and I'd love for you to be part of this journey. So if that sounds like something you'd enjoy, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, let me know in the comments what's one productivity struggle you'd love to overcome. I might just make a video on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.